Might have blown a bearing here. That sounds pretty metally. I might have to tear this thing down even more. If I'm not mistaken, that's all she needs right there. Oh no, I am mistaken. This guy. Alright, should be a little easier to finagle now. Take this guy off. See what we got. Cylinder actually looks pretty good. People are going to tell you that this is the wrong way to do it, and that it'll bend the crankshaft. And listen to those people that say that. Cool. Now, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but look at the rim of this thing. It is absolutely destroyed up there. I'll have to file that off, clean it up, see if there's anything we can do about that.